Casey. 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 Do you want to get out? Where's your mouse? Where's your mouse? Where's your bird? You see a bird? Do you want to come see the bird? Huh? Casey. Do you want to get out? Do you want to get out? You want to get down? Do you know how to get down? Do you know how to get down?
He looks like he's nodding his head, yes.
He's like, how do I get out of here? Casey.
He's using geometry.
Geometry. Casey, do you want to get down? Whoa, is that a bell? He's trying to figure it out. It's like his brain is working. Like, how do I get out of this?
I use the square root of 5, I get 25.
Isn't the square root of 25 5?
Oh. Oops.
Come on, you want to get out? Or do you like it in there?
It's like a little tent.
Maybe he likes it in there. Casey, do you like it in there? He's like, I'm pretty happy, I think. It's nice and warm. But you see that bell.
I can't decide.
Oh, I'm going to go back in.
I'm comfortable.
You want out or not? I don't think he understands.
What's this? Is it true?
Sometimes I think he's...
Hey, stop. It's fine. Stop it. Stop.
You want out or what? No?
No, he's going to go back.
Alright.
I'm going to post this on YouTube.
Oh, there's a paw. Paw.
Get away. Get away. Get away from me. Is this your...
I can't tell if he's stupid or smart. I don't know which one it is. Casey, are you... Hello?
What's that? I want to keep my paw out here. Give me candy if you can. Give me treats.
Oh, where'd it go?
Does anybody know where my Tic Tac went? Where'd my Tic Tac? Did you take it? Hey, stop
Okay,
it.
he's in playful mode. That's what it is. Oh, he's a good boy. Give him back my tent. All
You
right.
better set it back up, buddy.